Hey guys, Jason from Tough Mounts. Just thought I'd give you a bit of an update on the Foxbody Mustang. This is the car we're doing the Barra swap in. A lot of you guys will recognise it. It's been a while since we've updated. We've been very, very busy here in the shop. Since we picked the car up from Adam at MPW towards the end of last year, the car really hasn't done anything. It's just sat here undercover, waiting for some time to spend on it. Still don't really have the time, but we need to start moving forward on it. So our plans are over the next few days, we're going to spend some time, as I said, and we're going to build a seat frame for it, seat brace, weld a couple of brackets onto the roll cage, just a few bits and pieces like that. We've got some Scots rods panels for the engine bay, just to tidy up that as well. We're going to do all that, pull the motor out, pull the whole front of the car off, and just spend some time on it and getting it ready. After that, I'm going to paint the roll cage, start fitting the interior out, run the wiring, get the new Haltech IC7 dash into it. And once all of that sort of stuff's done, we can then start prepping the outside of the car. We're just going to give it a quick rub and jam job, just a closed door respray, keep it white, nothing crazy, but just keep it looking nice and sharp. We aren't going for the big horsepower we were originally chasing. We have now got to do a bit more of a boost ready sort of kit. There's quite a few guys over in America and here in Australia that have now got hold of their Mustangs and are going for some really big, serious sort of power. So we thought, so many guys are doing it, let's go back to basics and show what you can do with the standard bottom end engine. We're sort of hoping for around the 450 rear wheel kilowatt mark, so high 500, 600 rear wheel horsepower. And I still reckon we should get down the quarter in 9. And without spending anywhere near as much money, so the trans will be a bit more basic, the engine's basic, and it should just be a hell of a lot more drivable and easier to use. We just sort of plan on making it nice, making it cool, fun, streetable, something that we don't have to spend quite as much time on and we can get it on the track quicker. Still a little bit sus whether or not we'll have it ready for Drag Challenge here in Australia come November. But hey, we'll give it a go, you never know. If not, we'll go back to the trusty Sigma and run that again this year. I'm just going to give you a quick run around of the car, just to show you where it's at before we pull it apart tomorrow. And yeah, let you have a look. Enjoy. Under the bonnet, it's still pretty well much the same as you guys would have seen at last. We have the Plasma Man retro intake, Plasma Man billet fuel rail, plasma clamps, all that sort of stuff. Got Turbo Smart blow off valve down this side. Over this side we've got the Johnny Tig high mount turbo manifold, Borgwarner SXE 380 turbo, lovely 4-inch dump thanks to Adam down at MPW. The Turbo Smart wastegate down there, the 50mm Pro Gate. Since you guys have seen it last, we've fitted Viking double adjustable coilover front struts, the Viking adjustable camber caster top mounts for these as well. Plasma Man Pro Series intercooler jammed in down the front there, thanks to Adam at MPW, did a killer job with that. Out here, not really a lot's changed. We have fitted a fiberglass cowl style bonnet to it just to let a bit of heat out of the engine bay. Nothing else really, there's still plenty of clearance and the likes. Interior wise, obviously we've got the full cage, got a Kirky in there now. We have to do a seat frame for it to mount the seat. We can't have the sliding. Got to do a seat brace back there, have parachute lever to mount. Back in here you can see the enemies everywhere, anti-roll bar. We've also got Viking double adjustable rear coilovers in the back as well. Check out that roll cage though, that's so good. Lovely work by the guys at MPW. Outside, I said really there's not a lot that's different. We fitted a Scots rods drag wing to it, just a small one for the coupe, just nice and easy. Parachute mount and bracket, all quick release so we can get it off and yeah, go back street driving if we have to. Check out some of these guys, Turbo Smart, Plasma Man, Haltech, enemies everywhere, GCG turbos, Johnny Tig, all of these guys make this stuff happen. It's all Aussie made, well, for the most of it anyway. Thanks for everyone involved, stay tuned and we'll keep you up to date.